Hello, I'm Joe from iChin, where we specialize in crafting high-quality wear harness for various applications. Today, I'm excited to guide you through our simple room to showcase our innovative solutions. Here at iChin, we offer a wide range of wear harness. Let's take a look at some of our key products. First up, our electric vehicle charging cable, designed for efficiency and durability. Next, we have our energy storage harness, which are essential for managing power in storage solution. Lastly, our equipment harness, tailored for various industrial applications. Okay, this is our showroom. Thank you for joining me today. For more information or to discuss your specific needs, please reach out to us visiting our website or contact me by email directly. We look forward to collaborating with you. This is Joe. Thank you.